Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, a short video, hopefully, we're gonna make a DIY Niacinamide Vitamin B3 facial serum. Only few ingredients, what you're gonna need. But first of all, take out the scales. So, the first ingredient, of course, what we're gonna need is a distilled water. Okay, I have in here weighed it out already, 16.9 grams of distilled water. The whole recipe and formula you will find in the description box below as usual. And then to this we're gonna take a niacinamide vitamin B3. Niacinamide is probably the most powerful vitamin for healthy looking skin. It's really good if you have like brown spots or hyperpigmentation. As well, it helps to decrease the risk of skin cancer. And if you have acne prone skin, niacinamide is super good for your skin. So to this we will add 2 grams of niacinamide. We're putting the water on the scales, tearing out the scales, and then 2 grams of niacinamide. So we're making a 10% dilution for the niacinamide. Okay. We're almost here. In total, okay, good. In total, I'm making like to this 20 grams of it, so it's a little brown bottle. So what we're doing here now, we're just dissolving it very well before we will add vegetable glycerine to this. So niacinamide, it's way more stable serum to make than you will make your own like vitamin C serum, because vitamin C serum it's oxidizing very fast. So it's better to use vitamin C if you're making at home, you know, so to make as you go. And then to this I'm gonna add the glycerine. 5% only, so I have 1 gram of glycerine. Glycerine, it's very good humectant. It's gonna hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin. And yay! And as well, I'm gonna add a preservative. I have in here a preservative, Cosgard Preservative. So preservative, I'm gonna add 0.5%, which is 0.1 gram. Cosgard Preservative, it's water-soluble preservative. So it's perfect for water-based formulas, which this is one of them. And just mixing it very well. And here you go. It's done and dusted. I like to use this in the mornings, and I keep this little bottle in my fridge, because in the mornings after I wash my face, I'm washing my face only just with like cold water. It depends, of course, of the season, but most of the time with cold water. And then I just will go down in my fridge and will put this niacinamide serum onto me as well. And then I just will apply any of my moisturizer, whatever I'm using, or my facial oils. This way, the facial oils, it will keep the moisture from all your moisturizers and water-based ingredients like this niacinamide serum onto your skin. Okay, so it's yeah, and that's the serum, only a few minutes to do. It's very good, as I said, for acne prone skin, for brown spots, and it's super easy to do and simple. And yeah, let me know what you think, and see you next time. Bye.